Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be sharing with us best brightening soaps for your face and body. So if you're looking for a soap that will help you treat your skin, brighten up your skin, and also even out your complexion, these combos that I'm going to be sharing with us in today's video is going to help you achieve that. So you might want to stay tuned and let's get right into today's video. Now, the reason why I decided to bring this combo is to help you treat your skin and achieve that beautiful complexion that you want. Because I know some of you might be using a particular product, I might not be getting the results that you are looking for. So this combo is going to help you achieve that result that you want. Another thing again, the reason why I'm bringing it as a combo is because sometimes when you are using just one product, you might not get that effectiveness of the product, but when you pair it with other products, that is when you are going to be seeing the effectiveness of that particular product. So that's the main reason why I'm bringing it as a combo, so that you can try it and get the full benefit of using that particular product. The first combo on my list is the Cusson baby bar soap and the Nano extra white bar soap. Now when it comes to the Cusson baby bar soap, we have two colors. We have the blue and we have the pink. I think I have the pink here, so I'm not going to show you guys real quick. So once you want to get, you get the one with the pink color. The one with the pink color is very effective. This one contains natural oils. It contains almond oil and rose oil, and it also contains other natural oils that is going to blend into your skin and help your skin glow, your skin soften your skin and smooth your skin. So if you're looking for a soap that is very mild, that will help soften your skin and glow your skin, also moisturize your skin, because it contains a lot of oils, so it is going to help moisturize your skin. This soap is not soap that you use and your skin will feel dry. No, it is going to help moisturize your skin, and it's a very mild soap that you can use for your face and your body. Even babies can use it, adults can use it. Okay, this soap is very nice, so I recommend you get this particular one, this one with the pink color. So you get it and you use it on your face and your body. It's a very mild soap, it's gentle, you can use it on your face and your body. Now you're going to be using this only in the morning. Okay, you're going to be using only in the morning. Okay, from Monday to Sunday, that's when you're going to be using this soap. And when it comes to using the Nano extra white bar soap, you're going to be using the Nano extra white bar soap only at night. This soap is a brightening soap. It will help brighten up your complexion. I've talked about this soap on my channel a lot of times. This soap is very effective when it comes to lightening up the skin, when it comes to getting rid of dark spot on the skin. This soap is very good. And if you have dull skin, maybe your skin is kind of dull due to stress, this soap is going to help brighten up your complexion. This soap is very good, and you can use it only at night. If you want to see the effectiveness of using this particular soap, use it only at night. Do not use it during the day. Use the Cusson baby soap in the day and use this brightening soap at night. Okay, so that you can get the full benefits of using this product. So when you do it like this for a period of time, maybe like 2 weeks, you're going to be seeing a very beautiful result. Like your skin is going to be looking so beautifully, your skin is going to be glowing, and your skin is going to look more brighter and healthy. So guys, I have just two combos today that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and the second combo is the Dove beauty cream bar soap and the extra whitening bar soap. Now these bar soap are so nice. They're going to help blend your skin and also moisturize your skin. Now let's talk about the Dove cream bar soap. When it comes to Dove cream bar soap, it's going to help moisturize your skin. It is very mild so that you can use. It will leave your skin so soft. It will help pamper your skin. It will help glow your skin, and it will give you that radiant complexion. This soap is a very nice soap that you can use every other day. Like you can use it only in the morning to help keep your skin soft, keep your skin looking even. It will also help brighten up your skin. Okay, it will also help brighten up your skin, but this soap is soap that you can use it in the morning because it's also a gentle soap and it's very mild on the skin. Like it's for delicate skin, and you can use this soap to just help keep your skin maintain your complexion and keep your skin brightening. Now let's talk about the extra whitening bar soap. This bar soap is very good. I've used extra whitening soap in the past. Okay, I've used extra whitening soap in the past, and I would tell you that this soap is so good. If you have acne prone skin, if you have acne prone skin, like if you normally break out on your body, if you use this soap, it's going to help your skin because it contains salicylic acid. Okay, you can use this soap to exfoliate your skin. It will gently exfoliate your skin. Okay, it is for acne prone skin. Even though if you don't have acne prone skin, you can also use this soap, okay, to brighten up your complexion. It will even out your complexion. It will brighten up your complexion. It will make your complexion look so beautiful. So you can use this soap to get that result, to brighten up your skin. And this soap, it will clear dark spot on your body. It will clear hyperpigmentation on your body. So it's a very nice soap that you can use to treat your skin. So guys, if you are looking for soap to use, you don't know what to use, just use this combo. You are going to love it on your skin. Just with this combo, it will really give you that result that you're looking for. Guys, I'm trying my best to be consistent here, but you know, as a mother, as a business woman, and also a content creator, it's not really easy for me. Guys, please pray for me, it's not really easy, but I will try my best to be consistent here, and I will try my best to always, you know, bring out products that you guys can use and you enjoy use it on your skin. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you want me to make any other video, or if you want me to bring more combos like this. Just let me know in the comment section and I would love to do that for you. Okay, please like this video if you have not done that already, and if you're just seeing my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please, when you do that, you're also supporting me and helping my channel. So please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.